Hey! What's up, end of the world artists? It's Deadpool, the merc with a mouth, ready to give you a masterclass on how to draw yours truly, the most handsome, the most awesome, the one and only Deadpool. And oh, what do we have here? Juan Corte, the genius with the pencil. Let's see how this artist brings me to life on his YouTube channel. Alright Juan, show us what you got. We start with the outlines, because this face needs strong, defined lines. Did you know that in my new movie, I team up with everyone's favorite grumpy guy, Wolverine? Yep, we're talking pure testosterone and sharp claws. Make sure to capture the sparkle in my eyes. Even though they're hidden behind the mask, you can feel the mischief. Speaking of masks, did you know Ryan Reynolds can't leave his house without someone asking him to do the Pikachu voice? Poor guy, although, nothing compared to what I go through. Being irresistible. Oh, the suit. It's not just red because I like the color, it's so the blood doesn't show. Fashion tip, red is the new black. And in the new movie, you'll see it full of holes and scars. Thanks to our buddy Wolverine. Did you know Hugh Jackman swore he'd never put the claws back on? Well, looks like we convinced him. Or maybe we blackmailed him. You'll never know. Ah, the background. Don't forget the detail. A good background is like my sense of humor. Subtle but impactful. Did you know Deadpool 3 is being directed by Shawn Levy, who also directed Free Guy? Oh yeah, we're gonna make this an epic adventure. And there you have it, folks. An impressive drawing of Deadpool by the talented Juan Corte. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave in the comments which character you'd like to see next. See you on the big screen with Wolverine. Until then, keep drawing and remember, with great power comes great responsibility and a lot of chimichangas.